We are still doing very well. We're thriving as a business. We just released our Q3 numbers for 2019, and it showed really still very robust growth for Huawei. We grew by 24.4%. Currently we have shipped around just over 400,000 massive MIMO advanced antennae units. So business is going really well. Currently we have over 60 contracts around the world to supply 5G equipment. We've just released a report on Huawei's contribution, overall contribution to the EU economy and the UK, and it runs into several billion US dollars. Let's not forget that Canadian steel was also labelled as a threat to US national security. German automobiles were also tagged with this title. So I think, in a wider context, national security issues are being used disarmingly and almost on a pretext for actually imposing import barriers. So really, we're not alone on this. I think there are probably many issues that need to be resolved in terms of perhaps a new technological Cold War. There are issues surrounding cybersecurity in general, but really, Huawei is pushing for global standards to be met, and we would be really happy to meet those standards that are set for all companies at a fair and open access level to move forward as a world. Well, all businesses try to keep out of politics. So, certainly Huawei has done its best, utmost. Mr. Ren, our founder, I think very accurately puts it, when two elephants fight, it's the grass that gets trampled. So we are just there in the background. All that we can do, we won't politicize our products or services. We will just continue to innovate, improve them, and remain customer-centric. That's all that we can do. We are reinvesting. We are currently 5th in the world in terms of the EU does a measurement every year called the EU Industrial Scorecard, and we come 5th in terms of the amount of money that we reinvest. It's something like 15.8 billion just last year into research and development. Given what's happened in the past year or so, we've increasingly used our kind of backup plan to build independence. We've diffused our value chain and supply chain to move away, unfortunately, from US suppliers. So we will continue to do that.